Have you ever dreamed of making money on YouTube without even showing your face? Then stick around because I will discuss the method step by step just for you. This unconventional method lets you earn big bucks on YouTube without waiting for those daunting 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. By selecting the right niche, planning your content strategically, and following the step-by-step method carefully, you can start making online faster than you've ever imagined. But why is this method gaining so much traction? Well, for starters, you can tap into lucrative niches like finance, making money online, and technology, where the CPMs are sky high. Plus, with the right strategy, you can keep the cash flowing in even if your channel isn't blowing up. And the best part, you can set it and forget it, letting your videos work for you while you soak up the sun or explore the world. Step 1. First things first, pick your niche. This step is super important. Your niche is the base data on how much you earn and scale. I will show you some of the best niches, so make sure to take a screenshot if you need to refer back later. Now, here are some popular ones: health, wealth, relationships, travel, and technology. And here are the highest CPM niches that can make more money on YouTube: finance, making money online, technology, health, investing, travel, legal, insurance, makeup, marketing, real estate, cars, movies, and DIYs or tutorials. Step 2. Planning your content. It's easy and simple. Just gather around 30 video ideas. Start by checking out the popular ones on YouTube, search for what's hot, and filter by the most popular ones uploaded in the last 6 months. Note down any video with over 100,000 views. Aim for 15 of those. For the rest, use a tool like vidIQ. Search for your niche and note down the top keywords. Then search those on YouTube and brainstorm how to fit them into your video idea. Just make sure those videos you're modeling after have over 100,000 views. And that's it. Step 3. Now, let's talk about setting up your YouTube channel. First things first, go to YouTube and create your channel. Don't worry, it won't take long. Just follow these steps and you'll have your channel up and running in no time. Need help with the details? There are plenty of tutorials out there to guide you through the process. Once your channel is set up, it's time to make it look good. You'll want a cool logo and channel art to grab people's attention. Don't stress about it though. There's a handy tool called Snappa that's got loads of templates you can use. Now, let's talk content. If you're into using stock footage like those channels you love watching, there are sites like storyblocks.com where you can get tons of clips for a small monthly fee. But if you're on a budget, Pixabay and Pexels have some free stuff too. Editing your videos doesn't have to be a headache either. There are loads of great video editors out there. Some even come with stock footage included. How cool is that? And if you're into animations, there are tools like Animaker that can make it easier. And those thumbnails? Snap has got your back again. They've got loads of templates to make your videos stand out. Now, if you're feeling fancy and have some cash to spare, you can always hire someone to help out. Websites like Upwork have experienced and talented individuals who can take your channel to the next level. Since you watched the video until now, I will tell you the secret step of how successful channels earn more money. Step 4. It's all about pairing up your channel with a high-paying commission product. Many folks skip this step, but it's crucial. Here's the deal. Pair your channel with a high-paying product. What's that? It's a digital product you find on sites like Digistore24 or ClickBank. You sign up, browse their stuff, and pick something related to your channel's topic. You sign up as an affiliate, which basically means you get a cut of the profits every time someone buys through your recommendation. Simple, right? Now, here's the sweet part. When you promote these products and someone buys through your link, you get a cut of the sale. Aim for products that give you a big chunk, like $250 to $500 per sale. Let's say you promote a $1,000 course and get a 50% commission. That's $500 in your pocket per sale. But wait, how does this make you more money than most? Even if your channel isn't blowing up, you can still rake in cash from affiliate sales. Imagine this. You mess everything up on your channel and barely get a few thousand views a month, but still, you can snag some sales and make some decent bucks by promoting these products. That's why picking the right niche is crucial. You're lucky for watching until this part. The trick is to find products that fit your niche. Like, if you're doing a video on weight loss, throw in a link to a weight loss supplement. Easy peasy. And digital products are the bomb because they're easier to deliver and you get a hefty cut without the hassle. Let's say you've got your awesome videos ready to post, and now it's time to make some cash. Step 5. Here's the deal. You've signed up for a product to promote, right? Great! You've got this special link, and whenever someone clicks and buys through it, cha-ching, you earn some dough. But hold up, make sure your link is legit by testing it in an incognito browser. Now, let's talk about the schedule. You could go with 3 videos a week to start, but if you're feeling ambitious, go for daily uploads. The key is consistency. Shoot for at least 30 to 60 videos. That's the sweet spot for the algorithm to notice you. And the best part? Your videos can keep making you money forever. Yep, even when you're sunbathing on a beach or exploring the wilds. So, start uploading to start earning. Step 6. Alright, let's talk about taking your YouTube game to the next level. Check out your analytics. Look at those graphs showing audience retention on your videos. See when people are super into it and when they start to zone out. Cut out the stuff that makes them bored, keep the stuff that gets them hyped. Got it? Good. Now, on to the click-through rate. After you've uploaded a bunch of videos, note down your average rate. Let's say it's 5%. Every time you upload, check how many people click on your video. If it's below 5%, change up your thumbnail to something that's already a hit. Follow these steps and your channel will grow. Oh, and here are some bonus tips to keep you on track. Bonus tip 1. Give value. Lots of people just throw stuff out there, but are they really helping anyone? Value can be educational or entertaining. It's super easy to give your audience something great. Just check out the top 3 videos on whatever topic you're into. Take the best parts from each and put them in your script. That way, your video will be the most valuable because you're picking the best bits from everyone else. How do you find those best parts? Easy. Check out the comments on those videos. See what people like the most and focus on those. Bonus tip 2. Choose a good product. If you're promoting stuff to make money, don't go for small changes. Aim for the big bucks. Find a product where you can get $250 to $500 per sale. Bonus tip 3. Be realistic. Don't expect to be a millionaire overnight. Most people give up after just 10 videos because they think they'll get rich quickly. Nope, doesn't work like that. Commit to making 30 to 60 videos. Consistency pays off. Bonus tip 4. Check out your competition. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Look at what other people in your niche are doing. Then, make it even better. Don't worry too much about competition. If your videos are good, people will watch them. Bonus tip 5. Don't quit. Even the big YouTubers had to grind for ages before hitting it big. So, if you're passionate about this, stick with it. Even if things get tough, keep going. Remember, by selecting the right niche, strategically planning your content, and utilizing affiliate marketing, you can start making money on YouTube faster than you think. Now that you know the steps, it's time to take action. I'll see you in the next video.